Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video on cooking with Anadi. Today we'll be making a really delicious chicken parm inspired quesadillas. So let's get started right now. So first of all, check the link up here to see how to make my delicious homemade marinara sauce. You're gonna need about a quarter of that recipe. Go ahead and preheat your oven at 450. And now let's start working on our chicken. So here I have a simple breading station. So we have our flour, 1 egg, which I've whisked, and some panko breadcrumbs. Today I'm using whole wheat panko. So I'm gonna season the breadcrumbs with salt, pepper, and some dried Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna give this a quick mix. So here I have 1 chicken breast, which I put in a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna pound that out until it's about a quarter of an inch thick. There you have it, guys. It's nice and thin. What it's gonna help with is to cook the chicken really quickly in the oven. So take your piece of chicken and dip it into your flour and cover it on each side. Then shake off any excess flour. Next, go on to the egg. There's nothing fancy here. It's the same old technique of how to bread chicken. So after the eggs, again drip off any excess because we don't want any clumps in our breadcrumbs. Then go to your breadcrumbs and put some more breadcrumbs on top and make sure it's all covered. And what you want to do at the end, after it's all covered, is really press on your chicken to really make sure that those breadcrumbs are part of it and that they won't just flake off when you start cooking with it. Some of you all may be thinking, wow, that's a big piece of chicken. Maybe I should have cut that in half before I started breading it, but it's okay. After it's all cooked, I'm gonna cut it in half and I'm gonna use that for my 2 quesadillas for today. And for those tenders there, I love chicken tenders. I have chicken in every way that I can. So cook your chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes. And after that, we'll put our toppings on the chicken. So you may have noticed that I'm using a wire rack to cook my chicken on. That's because I don't want that crust to get all soggy while my chicken is resting or when it's cooking. I want it all to be crispy all the way through. So that's a good tip to have in your basket whenever you need it. So now I'm gonna add some marinara sauce on top of this chicken. We make sure to spread that out. Same with the other one. Guys, this looks amazing. I could eat this right now if I could. But just give it a few more minutes in the oven and it's gonna be even better. So next I'm gonna top it with some light sour cream. We're going a little healthier out here. Just enough to introduce a bit of sourness into a cheesy mixture. I'll top with your mozzarella cheese. And finally, top with some Parmesan cheese. Now pop this back in the oven until the cheese is nice and golden brown. Some basil leaves which I've stacked on top of each other, with the largest one being at the bottom and so on. You want to do maybe like 7 or 8 leaves at a time. And then lightly wrap it up. You want to be gentle, but you want to make a tight roll. Now after you have this roll, you want a really sharp knife and you want to just put a light pressure on it and just let the knife do the work. And you'll get some beautiful chiffonade basil. So I have a pan heating on medium heat here. I'm gonna start heating up my homemade tortilla just to make it a little warm. I'm gonna add some of the reserved sauce onto 1/2 of the queso and just warm up the tortilla. That's all you want to do. Right onto this queso, I'm gonna add in my chicken. Top some of our freshly chopped basil. Meanwhile, our tortillas are getting warm, crispy. All that's left to do now is to wrap it up to a delicious queso. I'm gonna cut this in half. This is gonna be amazing. there you have it, guys. I'm gonna go and dig into these delicious quesadillas, and I hope you guys love this video, love this recipe, and if you have any comments, leave it down in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys again on the next one.